Begin by navigating to and clicking on the quiz for which you'd like to add questions. After the quiz page loads, click the Actions menu to the right-hand side and click the Edit Quiz button. Please note, you will not be able to make any question changes to the contents if a student has previously completed the quiz. To begin adding questions, click on the Add button to the right of the page. You have 3 different options from the resulting drop-down menu: a new question, from question bank, and a random question. Adding a new question will allow you to create a custom question from scratch, where you may select the question type from the pop-up window and proceed by building the question. If you choose this option, ensure you save your custom questions to a category location in the course test bank where you may easily keep track of them. Using the From Question Bank option will open a pop-up window where you may choose a test bank category from which to add questions by using the Select a Category drop-down menu. Categories are typically organized by chapter, lesson, and/or assessment type. You can see how many questions are available in each category by viewing the number in the parentheses directly to its right. By default, all questions are unique to each category and do not repeat elsewhere in the test bank. Selecting a category will display its question contents below in the same window. To view a question in full detail, click the Preview button or magnifying glass to its right. Use the checkboxes to the left of the questions to select them. To quickly select all questions on the page at one time, click on the Select All checkbox at the top of this list. When satisfied with your selections, scroll down and click the Add Selected Questions to the Quiz button. To add a specific number of questions to the quiz at random, choose the third Add option for a random question. Use the Category drop-down menu from the resulting pop-up window to select the bank's category from which you wish to draw the random questions. Then specify the number of questions you wish to randomly select from the designated category by using the Number of Random Questions drop-down. Ensure you do not choose a number that exceeds the number of questions available in the selected category. After making the desired selections, scroll down and click the Add Random Question button. Please note, any random question added functions as a placeholder for a question that will be randomly selected from the designated category for each student attempt. In other words, the questions will vary between attempts. Continue adding questions to the quiz as needed using your preferred option. When finished, you may choose whether to shuffle the selected questions sequence within each individual attempt by toggling the Shuffle checkbox. You may also delete questions using the Trash button to its right and drag and drop individual questions to adjust their sequence using the compass arrow to its left. If you do rearrange question sequence, ensure you click the Repaginate button when done to evenly distribute them according to the quiz page settings. The question contents of the quiz are automatically saved as they are added, and you may close out or navigate to any other course page when finished.